Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make cream like Amul cream at home. Start by heating full fat milk gently until slightly reduced, then cool it quickly in an ice bath. Whip chilled heavy cream until soft peaks form, fold in reduced milk or milk powder for structure, and chill the mixture to set. Use a clean container and keep refrigerated for best texture and freshness. Combine simple ingredients for a reliable homemade cream. Measure full fat milk and chilled heavy cream, plus a tablespoon or two of milk powder if you want extra body. Gently reduce some milk to concentrate flavor, then cool completely. Whip the chilled cream to soft peaks and fold in the reduced milk or softened butter gradually. Chill the final cream to allow it to firm up and develop a smooth, spreadable texture. Heat milk slowly and reduce volume slightly to boost flavor without scorching. Transfer the reduced milk to an ice bath and chill it fully while keeping the heavy cream cold. Whip the cream to soft peaks, then gently fold in the cold reduced milk or milk powder mixture to preserve airiness. Spoon into a clean jar, press a layer of plastic directly onto the surface, and refrigerate for several hours.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.